Okay, today we'll discuss about sorting more than one columns in Excel. Okay, uh, sorting one column is very easy. Go to data and sort ascending or sort descending. That's pretty easy. However, when it comes to sorting more than two columns, that may be problematic. Okay, for example, in this data, I want to sort the, you know, reason and PID at the same time. I want all the rurals displayed here at first, at the beginning of sorting, at the beginning of columns, and co urban at the second part or the last part. And here I want to sort the participant ID alphabetically, all right, alphanumerically. Look at it. I want Z first and the other alphanumeric um, coding alphanumerically. But look at here, the problem is rural and urban are alternating here if I click on sorting in a single column. So what I need to do is sort the two columns at the same time. For that, I need to select the data. I can even select the entire column, or I can simply select the related data using my keyboard. I just selected the data range. Just select the data range using your mouse or keyboard, and then you go to sort. Okay, this is where you need to go. Under data tab, you need to go to sort, and then this dialog box appears. Here you can choose, you can check or uncheck this. My data has headers. If you have selected headers, you need to check it, but if you have not selected the header, you need to uncheck it. Okay, I'm unchecking it. uh, and first you need to sort the column by column A, sort and cell values. Definitely, what is the order? Ascending order, A to G. If you select G to A, it will sort in descending order. Okay, you know what descending order is. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, that's the descending order. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is the ascending order. Okay, in case of alph alphabetical values, A, B, C, D is ascending order, and B, C, D, A is descending order. Now you can add another label here. For example, I'm sorting it by column 2. Okay, this is column 2. You need to understand Excel language. This vertical is column and horizontal is row. You know, all these vertical things are units are called columns. All these horizontal units are called rows if you call them at the same time. Okay, now let's press OK here. Okay, look at here. Rural is sorted at the beginning, and all the cells with A, contents beginning with A, have been sorted right at the first. And if you go down in rural, all the cells with RM have been sorted next, Now comes the turn of Arvin. Arvin, in Arvin, AZ1 has appeared first and MT has appeared second. Similarly, the sorting has been done very well. Sometimes you may have the cases in which you need to sort three columns at the same time. You can even do that in this method. Go to sort, you know, and C, D, E, F, G. Maybe in this data, let's cancel it for a while. In this data, I have got, look here, cost in H column, okay? Cost in H column. So let's press sort button without, you know, without selecting the data because the data are very scattered. There is nothing wrong with trying. Okay, we have added another label here. Column B will be the second thing, and I mentioned you earlier. Uh, I just forgot the name of column. I think I've been very oblivious recently. Okay, H has uh, category of cost in this data. Okay, so I'm going to, or per ease, I will just do the sorting of sex, female and male. All right. So I'm going to go here, add a level here. Sort B and E F G H. G is the column for sex. Okay. Okay, I've sorted it. Let's look at how the things turn out. Okay, let's go at the beginning of data. Rural is the first sorting. A is the second sorting. What about the sex here? Okay, male, 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 female, female. Okay, that's a good sorting here. That's pretty neat. Right, this is how you sort multiple columns in Excel. That's what I wanted to show. Now let's turn to Google Sheets. Can we do that very thing here? Yes, there is a way. Uh, you need to select the data, rinse, or I guess without selecting data is okay. We go to sort sheet and sort rinse and go to advanced rinse sorting options. So by column A to Z, add another column. By column B, add another column. You should be very aware where your data are. For example, our data are in A and B here that we wanted to sort, right? You can still add another column. You are very aware that uh, sex is in D gender here, okay? That is why I'm selecting another column. So I'm sorry, here can't select the column that has not been selected in sheet. That is why I will have to do it this way at first. And it was already sorted, so I think very big changes have not been seen here. Let's try to select other data. Um, I don't think I will be able to select this data with mouse, so I think I'll have to adopt next strategy. What if I press Control in my keyboard? It works. Wow. Now let's go to data. So seat and sorry, Soren. It does not give that facility. Is that fine? So let's try it another way. There's nothing wrong in trying. Okay, I've selected it this way. And what about this column? What if I select it using my mouse? Will it be okay? It's a very long, large data, so oh, selected it. What if I go to data and sort range? It's still not possible if they are not consecutively together, but I don't think that's the case in Excel. In this functionality, Excel seems to be ahead of Google Sheet. So in Google Sheet, you can sort two or more than two consecutive data ranges, but not scattered data. But that's not the case in Excel. In Excel, you can sort the data that are even scattered across, you know, columns, even when they are separated by other data. Okay, that was what I wanted to show you today, sorting more than one column in Excel. Thank you. So see you in the next video.